In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to access Device Unlock. Tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock over here and enter your current login method. Then tap on Face Unlock. Hit Setup Face Unlock here. Tap on Start at the bottom right corner and keep your face in frame. Remember to follow all of the instructions available on your screen. Then hit Done. You can also manage those options however you want to, and when you're ready, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!